Your important surveys deserve a professional analysis report, but it's not easy. The standard reporting tools of online survey providers like SurveyMonkey are too superficial, while specialized survey reporting software is complex, expensive, and time-consuming. Today, you can try LogRatio. LogRatio creates fully automated professional survey reports with zero effort. It works this way. You collect the answers to your survey, download the data, and upload it to LogRatio. In minutes, not days, LogRatio creates a professional survey report made of two files: an Excel file containing all the numbers you need, including crosstabs, respondent fatigue, correlations, cluster analysis, and much more. A PDF file with the verbal interpretation of the survey results written in plain English. When it's an important survey and you cannot be wrong, try LogRatio. LogRatio helps you to analyze and interpret your survey correctly. LogRatio, survey reports like traditional market research agencies do, only faster, fantastic, and free.